Hey, yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy, Bobby Sneaker, and I am back. As you can see, it is officially winter. It has officially hit us here in Columbus, Ohio, man. I'm back with another video. I appreciate y'all checking out the channel one more time. We are on our way to Soul Classics once again. Now, but today is for a little special. I don't even know what I'm getting. I put in for a mystery box for it's like a Kingsrowe mystery box out there at Soul Classics, man. The co-owner, what's his name, Deontay Johnson, his brand started in about 2008, and I'm gonna go up here and see what I get. I get 3 items, so I'm gonna go up there. We're gonna go up to Soul Classics, see what they got in the store. It's a little, if you don't know what Soul Classics here in Columbus, it's a little sneaker and clothing boutique. I've been there a couple of times. If you haven't seen it on my channel, go back and check some of my old content. It's on there. But we're gonna roll up here. We're gonna be careful out here on these streets, and we're gonna go up here to Soul Classics and see what they got. Let's see what we got in my box. All right, so we'll be at Soul Classics soon. I'm so appreciative of Soul Classics because I honestly kind of forgot about picking up my stuff today because my day started off so trash. And I blame Embassy right here in Columbus. I started off after I got off work. I was going to Embassy skate shop or board shop or whatever it's called to pick up some pigeon dunks. They had posted on their Instagram that they was doing first come, first serve for the pigeon dunks. They're the only place that I know of in Columbus that was selling them. So my black behind, as soon as I get off work, I go home, change, get up there at 6:30 in the a.m. Only to find out that they didn't put a sign on the windows saying that if you don't have a ticket, one of the 9 tickets that they gave out, ain't no need to stand in line, you might as well go home. Now you posted it as first come, first serve. And then you do some secret squirrel raffle or ticket give out or whatever. So, shout out again to Soul Classics for getting your boy in a better mood. I'm about to go up here. I'm not far away, but I just had to say that because that really pissed me off. People, if you, little boutiques, skate shops, whatever, if you're gonna say one thing, keep it that way. Don't switch it up last minute and then you tell your boys, you know what I'm saying, to come up here and get a ticket and ain't nobody else got an opportunity. I missed out on all types of sleep, but my son basketball game this morning and Soul Classics got me in a better mood. So I'm about to go in here. I just had to get that off my chest real quick. I'm about to go in here and see what's in my mystery box. All right, so we're making our way down to Soul Classics. It's so hard to park down here, man, downtown in the short north. But got a little bit of a walk to Soul Classics. Got the snowflakes all in my eyeballs. But it's so nice out. I hate driving in the snow with a passion, but I love how it looks, man. It looks so nice out. It's noisy down here. I'll talk to y'all when I get inside. All right, so we was pretty much in and out of there, man. I didn't want to spend too much time because I want to use the end of the video to do the unboxing and let's see exactly what we got, what we're working with. But as you can see, the box has been secured. Anytime you guys get an opportunity to support local, please do, man. Support, especially in our communities, man. Anytime that you get an opportunity to support your people and elevate and do positive things in your community, people that are out in the community trying to help and uplift, do that. I'm always going to continue to go to Soul Classics, man. They've been good to me the few times that I've been there, and I'm excited to see what's in this box. But I just wanted to take that quick moment to let y'all know, man, if y'all ever have an opportunity to support your local boutiques and businesses, please do. It don't have to just be clothing. It can be anything local that you can keep in your community, keep the money flowing through your community and some jobs and opportunities. Please do that. See y'all at the house. All right, y'all, so we made it back to the house. I'm super excited to crack into this box. I have obviously no idea what to expect, but I got to get this done because we got a birthday party to go to. So I'm going to try to get through this. Hopefully we got 3 nice pieces. It could be anything, though. It could be a combination of t-shirts, hoodies, jacket, pants, 3 hoodies. I don't know. It could be anything. But hopefully, whatever the 3 pieces are, I like them. Give my honest opinion on what it is that I get. But like I said, I love supporting local. First thing we're going to pull out, I see some colors. Oh, wow. What is this? Wow, let's just sit this down here for now. I don't know what this little character is, but as y'all can see, got some little green dude looking like some type of, hey you guys, looking like some type of goblin. And then on the back it says, it says, sneak this and we'll get your teeth missing. Bars. Sucker free. Sneak this and we'll get your teeth missing. That is fire. That is fire. And as you can see, my man got his teeth missing. We starting off on a good foot, Soul Classics. We starting off on a good foot. All right, second piece. Make sure this is my size. Size me. Oh, let me look at the retail price on these too. Because the retail could be, it's a minimum of $250. These sweatpants are size medium, $70. You can never go wrong with great sweats. And what does it say? Win or die. And that's the motto all 2019. My mantra for 2019 is just growth. Win or die. All we doing is winning this year. We winning all 2019. Give me 1 second. Let me get the retail price on that other one. Well, I looked on the hoodie and I couldn't find the tag anywhere, but I'll put it up. I'll look it up when I edit it, and I'll put the price on the screen somewhere. Last thing. We have another hoodie. Yes. I was hoping it's wintertime. Get these expensive pieces. Get some heavy things. 2 hoodies and some joggers. Yo, I don't know if I'm gonna wear this though. I don't know if I'm gonna wear this. Support these nuts. I don't know if I'm gonna wear that. I might have to re-gift this to somebody. But it's still a fire piece, and it says PSA by Kingsrowe. Now, all of these pieces We got a bunch of stickers and stuff in here. Kingsrowe brand stickers. I'll send these out to people. Let me know in the comment section down below the illest Kingsrowe, Ohio. And we also got a killer sticker, Kingsrowe sticker, and some Kingsrowe pencils. Let me know in the comment section down below, for one, how y'all feel about these pieces. And also, if y'all want me to do, you know what I'm saying, I'll ship out these stickers and different things like that if y'all want any memorabilia and something. Just, you know what I'm saying, represent where I'm from, but where I live currently in Columbus. But all of these Kingsrowe pieces, Kingsrowe, for those of you that don't know, that don't live in the Columbus area, is actually a street that on the east side of Columbus, Ohio, where the co-founder and a couple of his friends grew up on the east side of Columbus, and they named their clothing brand after the street that they grew up on. So it's really, really dope, man. I'm really, really happy with all three of the pieces that I got. I'll try to put the prices up, the total, and what I actually paid for them. But what y'all think, man? Did I win? Did I make out pretty good with these pieces? Let me know in the comment section down below. Thank y'all for watching another video. We're on the road to 2,500 subscribers this year. People tell me I'm setting the bar too low. I got 1,000 in 1 year. I'm just trying to get 1,500 this year. People say that I should shoot for 3,000, 4,000. But that's all up to y'all, man. I love y'all. Appreciate y'all. OVE!